Today, I am reviewing NOVATECH Phantom 2.0 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The NOVATECH Phantom 2.0 is a pre-built gaming PC that combines powerful hardware with a stylish design, making it an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals who want a reliable and high-performance system right out of the box. At its core, this machine is powered by an Intel Xeon E3-1230 V6 processor running at 3.5 GHz, capable of turbo boosting up to 3.9 GHz. This server-grade CPU is designed for stability and multitasking, offering 4 cores and 8 threads, which makes it perfect for handling demanding workloads such as gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming simultaneously without noticeable slowdowns. The combination of the Xeon processor with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM ensures smooth performance when multitasking or running memory-intensive applications, allowing users to switch between programs seamlessly without lag. The Phantom 2.0 includes a 512 GB M.2 SSD that significantly improves boot times and reduces the load times for games and applications. This means you can get into your gaming sessions faster and enjoy a responsive workflow without the delays that traditional hard drives might cause. The inclusion of a PCIe SSD also ensures faster data transfer rates, making it ideal for users who work with large files or run demanding software. There is also room for upgrades, giving users the flexibility to expand storage or memory according to their needs, which adds to the longevity of the system. One of the most impressive aspects of the Phantom 2.0 is its graphics capability. Equipped with the AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics card featuring 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, this system delivers smooth visuals and strong performance for 1080p and even some 1440p gaming. Popular games such as Fortnite, Call of Duty, Apex Legends, and CS:GO run very well on high settings, providing fluid gameplay and crisp graphics. For those interested in virtual reality, the RX 580 also supports VR gaming, offering gamers a future-ready setup at an affordable price point. With AMD FreeSync technology, screen tearing and stuttering are reduced, resulting in smoother gaming experiences. The design of the Phantom 2.0 reflects the needs of modern gamers. It comes in a sleek tower chassis with vibrant RGB lighting that gives it a modern and immersive gaming feel. Beyond aesthetics, the case is engineered for effective airflow and cooling, ensuring that the internal components remain at optimal temperatures during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The system provides plenty of connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, multiple USB ports, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless connection to multiple monitors, gaming peripherals, and other devices. This makes it a very versatile setup for both gaming and professional use. In addition to gaming, the Phantom 2.0 is well suited for professional work and content creation. Its powerful processor and graphics card handle video editing, streaming, 3D rendering, and graphic design tasks with ease. This makes it a reliable workstation for creators who need a desktop that can handle demanding software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, or AutoCAD. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, which provides a modern interface, better security, and improved performance features that enhance productivity. The TPM 2.0 security feature adds another layer of protection, ensuring the system remains secure for sensitive workflows. Booting up the NOVATECH Phantom 2.0 is almost instant thanks to the M.2 SSD. Users will find the overall responsiveness of the system impressive, whether launching games, opening multiple applications, or switching between heavy workloads. The system also benefits from a 1-year manufacturer warranty, giving users peace of mind that they are backed by reliable support if needed. This warranty covers most hardware issues and makes it easier for customers to have their concerns addressed promptly. Overall, the NOVATECH Phantom 2.0 offers a compelling package. It provides powerful performance at a competitive price, making it an excellent choice for gamers who want a pre-built solution that works right out of the box without the need to build a PC themselves. It also appeals to content creators and professionals who require a dependable machine for demanding tasks. While the RX 580 graphics card may not be the latest on the market, it still delivers strong performance for the vast majority of games and applications at 1080p and even at higher resolutions in some cases. Combined with a solid CPU, fast SSD storage, expandable memory, and a stylish, cooling-optimized design, this system is not just a gaming rig, but a versatile powerhouse. For those seeking a pre-built gaming desktop that delivers smooth gameplay, strong multitasking capabilities, and excellent value, the NOVATECH Phantom 2.0 stands out as an impressive choice.